Are you tired of scrolling through social media and seeing the same old flat images over and over again? It's time to break free from the ordinary and make your content pop. In this electrifying video, we're going to show you the secrets of creating mind-blowing 3D AI social media images that will make your followers stop in their tracks. Prepare to immerse yourself in a world where imagination meets technology as we unveil the exhilarating techniques that will catapult your content to a whole new level. Get ready to blow your audience away with jaw-dropping visuals that will leave them craving more. Buckle up, because this is a journey you won't want to miss. Now let's get started. We'll be back after the intro. Now go to your Google Chrome browser, search Bing. Click the fast link that says bing.com. Then go to where it's written image on up above. Follow my cursor highlighter to understand what I am doing. Now go to where it says create, and then it will direct you to this page where you can enter prompt for image generation, but first you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Now enter the prompt. I will provide the prompt in the description down below this video so that you can try it yourself. Then click where it says create button. You need to wait some few seconds for the AI to generate the image. Now let's look the result. You can see it's amazing. Try some tricks to get the perfect image you're looking for. I think you get the point. Then click download to download the images. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this awesome tutorial, subscribe in return for your appreciation, and like the video. Also turn the bell notification onto upcoming video A, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. I see you in the next video.